For problem 43, we are given that we would like to hire 200 employees for a new management training program using a multiple decrement table. We assign decrement 1 to equal number who fail to make adequate progress in the first 3 years, decrement 2 to equal people who resign, and decrement 3 to equal other reasons. So we can calculate the people who failed to make adequate progress in years 1, 2, and 3 with the information given. Here, 10 out of 40 people fail the first year. 6 out of 30, which is the 30 we get from 40 minus the 10 people who failed in the first year for year 2, and then 8 over 24 for the 24 is 30 minus 6 people who failed in year 2. And then we can do the same for all of the other decrements. We then calculate the survival probability of tau of each year by multiplying the survival probabilities of each decrement. So for p sub 0 of tau, we use the value for q sub 0 prime of decrement 1. So we subtract that from 1, and then multiplying all of them together gives these values here. So using these numbers, we can then calculate the life expectancy of each year by multiplying the respective survival probabilities to the number of employees, so for each year. And to solve for the expected number who failed to make adequate progress in the third year, we need the life expectancy of year 2 and the probability of death in year 2 with decrement 1. And to get the probability of death in year 2 with decrement 1, we use the partition property like this and plug in all the numbers, and we get 0.276, and plugging in the values for these two problems, we get our total to be 14 people.